Hello everyone, and what is up to Ukalimbakers? Ukalimbakers. If you love ukulele or kalimba, or maybe both, you are Ukalimbakers, according to me. Today I'm gonna be giving you some exercises or drills which you can use before you start your kalimba day or before you start your kalimba routine. This is a kind of warm up. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate players, this may be useful. Okay, because it is important to play in the right tempo. Playing in the right tempo is as important as playing the right notes. Well, the truth is, if you're not playing in right tempo, you're not hitting the right notes, diba? For example, we have C and then F, 4 beats each. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then F. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your beat. That's the speed of the beat. Tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. All down strokes. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. If you play, if you move to F right away before 3 or before 4, then you will not be hitting the right note. So for example, I'm moving to F before 4, or just say in the 4th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get what I mean, right? So it means if you're not playing in tempo, you're not playing the right notes. Because harmonic and melodic lines, yung music na ginagawa natin, the music that we're making in kalimba, harmony and melody at the same time, right? But they are placed to the beat to form the rhythm of the song. So those harmonic and melodic lines, they are placed in the beat, and that beat has its own speed. So it must be placed properly. Harmony and melody in the right beat, in the right speed of the beat. And so people will hear music and it is more musical. Okay? So, dami ko na namang sinabi. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, let's play in the right tempo, and maybe this tutorial will help you if you want to improve your tempo. The goal of these drills and rhythm drills or warm up is for us to hit the right note, for us to be aware of our chords, for our fingers to be aware of the distance of the nails and the tines. This is kind of, developing our own growth in kalimba music. Dami ko sinabi. And before I forget, this video will help our brain and our muscle to, cooperate well. So if you will keep on practicing the drills, or before you start your kalimba playing, just have a little bit of, warm-up time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes before you start your kalimba day, or before you start your before reading your tabs, or before you record your song. Let's do this! Ay, last na po pala to. This is the second part of the video. If you want the first part, I'm going to link it right here or down there in the link below. And if you want this video to make more sense, if you want an easier one, go to the first part first and then come back to this video. Totoo na to. Intro. Welcome to the level 1 of this drill or video tutorial. If you haven't checked out the first video yet, the part 1, please do so everything will make sense easily in this video. We're using the same chord progression: C, A minor, F, and G, just like in that previous video. If you haven't checked out yet, I put the link below in the description. You may want to watch it first and then come back to this video. Alright, so we are having C, A minor, F, and G. In this video, all throughout this tutorial, we're using their octave. So as for C, we have 1, 3, 5. C here, we also have 1, 3, 5. A minor, we're having 6, 1, 3. Same here, 6, 1, 3. And then F, we have 4, 6, 1. F, 4, 6, 1. G, 5, 7, 2. G here, 5, 7, 2. So all throughout this video, we're using those chords, same chord progression, level 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's begin. So as for level 1, you heard the preview. It's easy. Level 1 nga eh. Okay, so we have 1 and then 1 3. After hitting 1, we have 1 3 for C. And then 6, we're having 6 1 for A minor. Alright, 1 1 3. That's your C. 6 6 1 A minor. And then F, you're hitting number 4 here. And then you're hitting 4 and 6 octave. We have G, hit number 5, and then 5 7 octave. Okay, so it sounds like this: 1 2 3 4 3 4 1 2 and 3 and 4 1 2 and 3 and 4 1 2 and 3 and 4. So you may now proceed to the exercise. After this video, I'm giving you a bit with the metronome. You can actually download your own metronome and adjust the speed. Alright, so as for level 2, we're using the same chord progression: C, A minor, F, and G. But we're hitting the tines differently this time because we're having 1 1 and then it's octave 1 and 3. So twice here, 1 1, twice here. We go to A minor, 6 6, and then we're hitting 6 1 twice. And F, 4 4, we're hitting 4 and 6 twice. Then G, 5 5, 5 and 7 twice. Okay, so if you will try it slowly, it will sound like this. The jam along will begin after this video. You can practice it with my own speed with the metronome over there and jam along with me. Just play it along with me. And after that, you're ready for level 3. For level 3, we're hitting the same chord progression: C, A minor, F, G. Like this, 1, and then go to the octave, 1, 3, 5. So, 1, 1, 3, 5. That's your C. A minor, that's in 6, A minor, then 6, 1, 3. F, that's your 4, F, then 4, 6, 1. And G, that's your 5. G, 5, 7, 2. Okay? So it goes like 1, 1, 3, 5, 6, 6, 1, 3, 4, 4, 6, 1, and 5, 5, 7, 2. Okay, that is your C, A minor, F, and G. Okay, so you can do it in your own tempo. Start it slowly. If you want to do it by your own, you can download your metronome and do it slowly first. And this will improve your muscle memory, your brain, and your muscle working together. Alright, so let's go to the last exercise. If you want to repeat the tutorial or the exercise, just replay the video and jam along with me as we learn together.